This is your severe weather outlook for Friday, September 13, 2019, brought to you by Extreme Weather. I am Extreme Weather's AI assistant meteorologist, James Johnson. Our outlook uses information derived from the National Weather Service Weather Prediction Center, located in Norman, Oklahoma. Here is your severe weather outlook summary. Severe storms and flash flooding across the central U.S. We are also watching the tropics closely. Severe storms and additional flash and river flooding are forecast from the plains to the upper Midwest today as a strong storm system moves out of the Rockies. Meanwhile, a tropical wave moving slowly across the Bahamas has a high chance to develop into a tropical depression as it approaches the southeastern U.S. over the next few days. And now here is your detailed outlook for today. Potential tropical cyclone 9 moving over the central Bahamas. Tropical storm watch posted on Florida East Coast. Potential tropical cyclone 9 is likely to become a tropical depression or tropical storm in the next day or two and will pose a threat to the Bahamas, Florida, and possibly other parts of the southern United States, including areas devastated by Hurricane Dorian. Notable short wave trough will progress across the upper Mississippi Valley into the upper Great Lakes region by noon today, while an associated 500 millibar speed max will translate downstream ahead of this feature into northern lower Michigan by 6 p.m. today. Early this morning, a considerable amount of prefrontal convection is noted across Wisconsin into northern Illinois. Latest model guidance suggests this activity will lift northeast across Lake Michigan into northern lower Michigan early in the period, allowing more moist buoyant air mass to advance northeast ahead of the front across Indiana into southeast lower Michigan. While mid-level lapse rates will remain somewhat marginal across this region, if ongoing convection evolves as currently forecast, boundary layer heating ahead of the front should allow a corridor of modest instability to develop from Indiana into southeast lower Michigan. Forecast soundings suggest temperatures will warm quickly into the lower 80s ahead of the front, allowing surface parcels to reach their convective temperatures fairly early, possibly by 6 p.m. today. Scattered convection is expected to develop along ahead of the front shortly after noon, and wind profiles suggest some supercell potential. Locally damaging winds will be the primary risk with this activity. Robust convection should shift into southern Ontario and northern Ohio by early evening.
This broadcast is made possible in part by Extreme Weather. Funding for this broadcast is provided in part by our viewers and their donations. We would like to thank our viewers for their continued support of this Extreme Weather program. Thank you for listening, and please check back often for further weather updates that may impact you and your area.